Hello everyone, this is Manjunath Kadalli. Today I believe today I would be creating a free account for AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. So creating a free tier account. To start off with, you just need to type in this particular uh, web address. So that goes as AWS Amazon aws.amazon.com/free, and that would land you to this particular web page, and you can create an AWS account. So it says sign up. So let's go with AWS account name. We'll just say UK 1996. Verify email address. Verification code. So entering the verification code, that is 237009. Hit verify. Password also provides the sign, so it's a modern get right. So just click use strong password. No. Password is saved. First one for your own projects, signing up free tiers. For all our AWS accounts can explore three different types of free offers depending upon the product used. All is free, never expires. Two months free. Start from initial sign up date. Trials start from the service activation date. And for the contact information, how do you plan to use AWS? Personal for own projects. Name, phone number is required. One. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my details, and then I'll click the edit and continue. So that will be step 2. So the next web page you'll be seeing is the step 3. This would be the step 3 of this particular web page, and over here you have to sign up for the AWS, and you have to add in your credit or debit card number. And next, at the bottom of this web page, you'll be selecting the address to which your credit or debit card number is linked to, and then you would have to click the continue to step 4, uh, the yellow button. Yeah so I'll just go ahead and put in my details so that I can get the access. So guys, I went ahead and finished the step 3. So over here now they are asking the primary purpose of account registration. Let's just go ahead with personal use. Ownership type individual. Verify your identity, the name of your document was password. Okay. So I do have the PAN card, so I'm gonna put that in. Click this. Date of birth 1996. Month 9. And I'll be entering my PAN number and upload the PAN card file, and then I will allow for AWS to use the information for their third party. I'll enter them and then click the next continue button. So just give me a minute, please.
Turn on microphone access to talk.
It says confirm your identity, so I would be definitely using my phone number +91. And yeah, I will just punch in my number, and then I believe I'll get an OTP, and which I will enter that, and I will show you the next web page. So yeah, I punched in my number and I've got the OTP on my phone, and that would be 5957. Continue. So yeah, I mean, depending upon your business needs or your organization needs, or like if you are completely new to AWS, then I believe the basic support free would be a very good plan to go ahead with. So I'm going to click complete sign up, and voila, get the gist, get the gist with the explainer. So I believe this would be also good feature. So that continue. So explainer was ready. So here we are. Congratulations, thank you for signing up with AWS. We are activating our account, which should take few minutes. You'll receive an email when this is complete. So this I'm just gonna go ahead and pause the video so that I can get the message, and then resume further. So yeah guys, I've got the confirmation email on my phone, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sign into the console. And voila, here we go. So you can click the 9 dots which says you can access all the AWS services here. These are section for your recently visited, and can save your favorite services to next. New resource, research, type / resources. Focus search results on resources such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and more. Unified settings. Can control my language visual mode of settings using the from the navigation bar. Other users level settings is default region or no available. Done. So right now this particular region says Europe Stockholm. So we have to change that to India. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this. So you have multiple regions, multiple zones. You can select regions and then zones. Zone is like a subset of a region. So over here, to be honest, in Asia Pacific, the free server available is in Mumbai, but there's free region available is Mumbai, but there's another region which is available in Hyderabad, but that is visible for the paid subscription of AWS. Yeah. Let's go ahead and click Mumbai. So here we have Mumbai supported regions, create applications. So we have EC2, Aurora, and RDS Lambda, we have all services. So here we have multiple all the services available from Amazon Web Services, which ranges from game deployment, analytics, customer enablement, robotics, blockchain, satellite, developer tools, end user computing, business applications, machine learning, migration transfer, application integration, CFS, storage database, containers, Kubernetes, uh, is I believe is a popular containerization tool which is used on day-to-day basis when it comes to the Amazon Web Services DevOps engineers. So, yeah. In terms of computing power, we have EC2, Lightsail, Lambda, Batch, Elastic Beanstalk. Um, yeah, so more of the all the services available, I believe EC2, Lambda, and Lightsail and Elastic Beanstalk are like very popular. Um, you know, talking on top of my head, so we have Kubernetes as well. So yeah. Oh, there's a Red Hat as well. So they are also being used. So one of the upcoming is the Amazon Grafana. So yeah. So then going ahead over here, we have Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute. So abbreviated as EC2. So here we have one particular uh, this. So, yeah. And in terms of S3, uh, this would be the web page for the S3. So we can create a bucket where every object in S3 is stored in a bucket, and you can just create a bucket by clicking this particular button on the top right of the web page. And oh, there you go. So there's a YouTube video as well to make you better understand about the all the services and the features of Amazon S3. Coming to next, we have Aurora and RDS. So Aurora IO input output optimized. So Aurora IO optimized is a new cluster storage configuration that offers predictable pricing for all applications and improved price performance with up to 40% cost savings for IO intensive applications. So that's something new which I'm learning today. Yeah. So then as you can see over here guys that I had selected the region as Asia Pacific Mumbai, and you can see it's already reflecting over here where it says that the database management is done over the Mumbai location based servers. So, and this is also one of the important and very uh, prominently used services. So that would be the AWS Lambda services, where I believe you can use Python, Ruby, programming languages to get going with the uh, get going with the coding, and then use that to get the particular output function. So and yeah, if people who are very much familiar with .NET, Java, Node.js also can use that. So yeah, there you go guys. Here you have the whole video which explains how to set up the AWS free tier account, and then you can even select the region whichever is very much nearby to you. So one of the reasons I've selected Mumbai is that the concept of edge location comes into picture over here. So yeah, so Mumbai being the closest location to my place which I live in, so that is Bangalore. So over here, uh, the latency between the Mumbai server and the location which I'm put up in is very low, and I can get instantaneous responses from all the services which I'm going to utilize in the upcoming videos. So I mean, if you are in United States, North Virginia is on the East Coast, Ohio is on also you can say it's like in Midwest, and for the Western region, North California and Oregon states, can use them as the regions which you can select. Thank you very much for seeing this video.